A day after announcing the ban on PDA or public display of affection, PNP Chief General Sinas joined the statistics of the growing number of COVID-19 cases. Sinas took a swab test as a requirement for his trip to Palawan. It turned out positive. Sinas is in isolation at the Kiangan treatment facilities in Camp Crame. He advised those who had direct contact with him to also undergo swab test. Before his COVID-positive announcement, Sinas attended the PNP's donning of ranks of officers in Camp Crame. While Sinas is undergoing his 14-day quarantine, PNP Deputy Chief for Administration, Lieutenant General Guillermo Eleazar, will be officer in charge.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.